this is what Monkey does. Wait.
Is it working?
Yeah, but the lighting is very bad. Hi. Monkey, what are you doing?
Don't talk to him.
How come he gets dizzy and when I do that, I'm not even dizzy? Well, I'm very dizzy when I do that. Because he doesn't get dizzy, he just...
This is called monkey dance. I think you need to drink water. I don't know why you're breathing so heavy. Oh my goodness.
He needs water, but you tried giving him water before and he doesn't want it.
He just wants to play. Now, do you want to show them how you go up your new toy? Go up the tunnel?
No? You're cheating. Yeah, now you're not cheating. You see, you go down. Whee! There's a slide. You're cheating, right?
And down. And up.
No, he's cheating.
And down. This is his way. Then he goes the right way.
Watch, his butt will go up. And he'll start to do his pouncing thing. Nope, you're cheating. Monkey, don't cheat. Oh, he's tired.
Yeah. I think he's had enough.
Bring it to his water so he can have some water.
He wants to do this. He wants to go around, then around, then around, then around.
He's
then
gonna
around,
be
then
so sleepy.
Over the tunnel.
Woo!
And over the tunnel.
Woo!
Those are the video.
Woo!
I'll show Ashton what you can do. And you have your Olympic.
Whee! Woo!
Oh, we should send everybody this video. And back. And one more time.
Woo!
And up the hill. See, this is what you do for cats that need exercise. We can make a fat camp here for obese cats. Okay? Before Jasper got sick, we could have made him a whole camp, but he wouldn't move.
Look at this face. Look at him.
And put it on the box. Over the tunnel. Through the tunnel. Through the tunnel.
Monkey, what are you doing?
Through the tunnel. Your monkey. Through the tunnel. And then over the tunnel.
You can hear him panting.
Over the tunnel. Whoop. And one more time. Over the tunnel.
Monkey, if I were you, I'd be very tired right now.
There you go. Whoop. Ooh, monkey loves this string. This has been a very good workout. And we cannot say the monkey did not get to play a lot today.